I'm an idiot. But we already know this. Okay, so, I'm an idiot because you're gonna learn how to make ear rape. Here's what you need. Something with sound. That is this. And Audacity. To get Audacity, you just go to Google or your browser, you click the thing, says Audacity, you click download and get it for whatever OS you have. But, yeah. You drag your thing into this, and then you select the part you want. For me, I'm just gonna do the entire thing. And then you go to Effect, Amplify, just turn it all the way up. It doesn't work all the way up for me for some reason. You click Allow Clipping, you click OK, and then you click Play. Yeah. You can also... Okay, it's already all the way up. Let's just turn it all the way up. Apply. But yeah, you can change this stuff from there. Okay. Ear rape.
Subscribe.